What is a mortgage pre-approval and why do you need one versus a pre-qualification? Those are great questions. Hi, my name is Richard Freedkin, Realtor with eXp Realty. And what you probably don't know is that I was also in the mortgage lending arena for over 25 years, having owned and operated one of the largest mortgage brokerages in Northern Illinois. This makes me uniquely qualified to answer these questions. So why do you need a mortgage pre-approval versus just a pre-qualification? Even if you think you're qualified, it can end up costing you thousands of dollars if you truly aren't qualified by a lender before starting the home buying process. I've saved hundreds of buyers from making huge mistakes when purchasing a home that could have cost them thousands of dollars. A pre-qualification is not a true approval, although some lenders call their pre-qualification a pre-approval, so you need to know the difference. Pre-qualification is basically just an initial conversation that you'll have with a loan officer where you discuss your financial situation and information, but nothing actually gets verified. Based on that conversation, the loan officer may say something like, based on the information you just told me, you should qualify for the loan amount you're looking for. Of course, a later examination of your financial documents may totally change that conversation, sometimes for the better and far more often for the worse. A pre-approval, on the other hand, is where the buyer actually provides the lender with all the necessary documentation needed, such as tax returns, pay stubs, and bank statements, so the lender can analyze them properly. It is only after this is done that the lender will be able to let the buyer know exactly how much they are qualified and approved for based on those documents and the lender's underwriting guidelines. The lender will also let the buyer know which loan products are the best option for them and give them a better idea of the interest rate or rates they qualify for. You'll want to go through the entire pre-approval process, which, with the right lender, really only takes 24 to 48 hours once you provide them with the needed documentation. And here's the best part. Pre-approval does not cost you anything. If the lender has actually verified your employment, seen your tax returns, looked at your bank statements, pay stubs, and other documents they may need, such as divorce decrees, and they have truly verified everything, then they can issue you a pre-approval letter which will state how much they will loan you, what is the maximum price of homes you should stay under, and what your payments will be. It is essential that you do this, otherwise it could cost you a lot of money you'll spend on things like inspections or appraisals, not to mention possibly losing the home you just fell in love with. Another important reason for making sure you get this done before ever going to look at homes is that if you do fall in love with a home and want to make an offer, many listing agents will only present offers that include a pre-approval letter. They don't want to present offers from buyers who are not qualified for obvious reasons. Waiting to get the pre-approval done could cost you valuable time, where someone else makes an offer on the same home but provides a pre-approval and their offer gets accepted while you're still waiting for yours to come through. Don't fall into any of these traps. Having been in both the lending and real estate arenas during the last 40 years, I'm highly trained in all these areas and have the right resources available to help you make your home purchase easier, smoother, and less expensive. Get in touch with me so I can walk you through the safest and most strategic way to become a homeowner. And don't forget, all of this is free for you. Even though I represent you, the seller pays my fees. But understand that I, being your agent, have a duty and obligation to protect you and your best interests when purchasing a home. If you have any questions, I hope you'll reach out to me. Once again, this is Richard Freedkin with eXp Realty, and remember, when you do what you love, people will love what you do. Make it a great day.